He needs help. He needs help, man.
Additional victim down.
Okay, what did you see? No, man, I just heard him say help, man. I just got the elevator, I heard help. Bro, can my brother pat you down? Yes.
Hey, come here, dude.
Hey, watch out. It's in town, dude. What's in your hand? Did you see anything?
Huh?
Oh, shit. No, man.
Yeah, did you see anyone?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go home, but I'm not going that way.
Look, officer, look. Yes, I just called him. I came out. He said a man stabbed him.
It's not here. Go over there. Hey, do you know if there's a male Asian that lives on the 4th floor?
No, I know that does, man. He don't.
Huh?
He's kidding, right?
No. Let's put him on recovery.
Can you stand over there for me, please?
He's gonna choke on his nose.
It's a tough moment, but here.
Where's he stabbed? Oh, he's stabbed on the stomach, dude. Yeah, let's put him on his recovery side, bro.
Put him on his recovery. Alright, man. This guy
Did we request for an RN?
Hey, bro. Dude, if I tilt him over, it's fucking guts are gonna.
Hey, dude. Let's set up a perimeter. He's gonna be in the building. Oh, shit.
Just set up a perimeter.
Hey, dude.
Let's go ahead and start setting up
stay
a
with me,
perimeter
sir.
for
Stay
this
with me.
building, the ward. The suspect's going to be outstanding. He just stabbed someone on the 4th floor. It's going to be a male Asian, unknown age, approximately 5'8", 5'9", wearing gray over gray hoodie. He's going to have a butcher knife, kitchen butcher knife.
It's probably 417, they said.
Suspect is a male Asian, approximately 5'8", 5'9", stabbed another victim on the 4th floor.
This is LAPD. Anyone inside room 417? Come out with your hands up. Let's go ahead and back again. Okay, come out with your hands up. Hey, start walking this way. Put that knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down.
40 up.
Hey, come out with your hands up.
Come on with your hands up, sir.
Hey, suspect had a knife on his right hand.
He still has a knife. He's wearing a black sweater. He fell down to the bed right now.
It was about 10 inches, like a big, like.
It's a big knife.
Hey, put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, drop it. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Hey, drop the knife. No. Hey, drop the knife. Back up. Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife, sir. Hey, back up. Hey, drop the knife. What do you want? Hey, drop the knife. Drop the knife. Hold on.
Hey, watch out.
Hold on, man. Hold on.
Hey, taser.
Hold on.
Drop the knife. Don't do it, sir. Sir, don't do it. Hey.
Hey. All right, sir. Hold on. Suspect's gonna be down, good?
Hey, arrest him. All right, arrest him up. I got the knife. Keep the knife. This is LAPD. Anyone inside room 417? Come out with your hands up. Okay, come out with your hands up. Hey, start walking this way. Put that knife down.
40 up. 40.
Hey,
40 up.
put the knife down.
40 up.
Hey, come out with your hands up.
Hey, come out with your hands up, sir.
Hey, suspect had a knife on his right hand.
He still has a knife.
He still has a knife. He's wearing a black sweater. He fell down to the bed right
It was
now.
about 10 inches, like a big, like.
It's a big knife, yeah. Back up.
Hey, put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, drop it.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Get the taser! Get the taser!
Back up, back up.
Get covered! Get covered! Back up!
Hey, drop the knife.
Taser, taser, coming out.
Drop the knife! I will shoot you!
Taser, watch
Drop the
out.
knife.
Hey, taser! Watch out! I'm gonna hold on, man! Hold on!
Hey, taser, taser.
Hold on! Hold on!
Drop the knife. Drop the knife, sir.
Hey! Alright, sir! Hold on! Suspect's gonna be down, okay?
Rest in.
Hey, kick the knife! Kick the knife! Kick the knife! I'll come up.
Hey, sorry, get the already going?
This is LAPD, and anyone inside room 417, come out with your hands up. Okay, come out with your hands up. Hey, start walking this way.
Put that knife down!
Hey, put the knife down.
Hey,
Put the knife down. Hey, come out with your hands up.
Hey, come out with your hands up, sir!
Hey, suspect had a knife on his right hand.
He still has a knife.
He still has a knife. He's wearing a black sweater. He fell down to the bed right
It was
now.
about 10 inches, like a big, like.
It's a big knife.
Get back up.
Let's make it. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down.
Take him.
Put the knife down. Hey, put the knife down. Hey, drop it.
Drop the knife!
Taser.
Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Get covered! Back up!
Hey, drop the knife.
Taser, taser.
Drop the knife.
Shoot you!
Drop the knife.
Hey, watch out! I'm gonna hold on, man! Hold on!
Hey, taser, taser.
Hold on! Hold on!
Drop the knife.
Let's go. Keep eyes.
Alright, sir! Hold on! Suspect's gonna be down, okay?
Arrest him. You ready? I got gloves. Pump up. I got gloves.
Kick the knife! I'll come up.
Hey, Sarge, get the already going?
Alright, let's put him on. Hey, let me get one more up here so we can clear the room.